This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rotate an image in Inkscape. Let me jump over to Inkscape here. Okay, I have Inkscape opened up now, and I have an image on my canvas here. To rotate an image in Inkscape, first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you're on the selection tool. The keyboard shortcut for the selection tool is the letter S. Then you want to go over to your image that you want to rotate, and you want to left click on it. When I left click on the image, you could see all these arrows appear around the image, all these straight arrows. You want to left click a second time on the image. When you left click that second time, those arrows change to circular arrows, as you can see around the edges here. And all you need to do is place your mouse cursor over one of those circular arrows, hold down your left mouse button, and then drag down or drag up to rotate the image. I'm going to put mine about like that there. I'm going to move it a little. And that is how you rotate an image in Inkscape. Thanks for watching.